Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this new series, the Android apps you must have in your mobile phone, we are going to be talking about the best Android applications. So it's kind of a review of Android applications. So let's start our video. So in this video, the application we are going to be talking about is like a social media application. And first of all, I'm gonna tell some good features and a review of this application. Then I will tell you from where you can get this application. So let's start our video. So first of all, if you are having some low space issue or your phone's processor or RAM is low, then this is a must-have application for you, because it's like a hub of all applications. There are so many applications out there and you can just access to those applications with one click. So let's see how it works. So this is the application. So from here you can see that I can use Google, I can use Facebook, I can use Messenger, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok and Likey, and many other applications are there, and I can just use them with one click. As you can see that if I click on Facebook and I have to give access to this application. Okay, so now as you can see that I can just use my Facebook using this application. So if I click back and as you can see that I can go to Gmail, I can use YouTube, I can browse any other application, Twitter, Snapchat, LinkedIn, Alibaba and many other applications are out there. And if I go to sections, like you can see that there are so many sections. If I click on social networking, and there are so many social media applications. Okay, if I click on visual content, then Pinterest, Snapchat, YouTube, BuzzFeed and many other applications. And there are many applications like Alibaba, Amazon, eBay, AliExpress and many other applications related to shopping. So there are news applications and sports applications and services like Blogger, WordPress, Spotify, or there are so many applications related to education, email and travel and tourism and real estate. It's like a hub of all applications. You can get so many applications in this one application. So it's a space saving application. If you're having a space issue in your mobile phone, then this application is best for you. Like you can see that I can add my favorite applications from here, so that I can just get access to this application from this section, and even I can play games in this application. So there are so many games, like you can see that, and I can set a password to this application to secure my application. So now I'm going to tell you from where you can get this application. So first of all, you'll have to open Play Store. Okay, now from here you'll have to write social media apps. Okay, now as you can see that here is the application, all social media and social networks in one app. Okay, so you'll have to download this application and then you'll have to give access to this application. Then you can just browse many applications in this one application. So if we look at some features of this application, like you can see that it has been downloaded 10 million plus times. So it's a great application and review is 3+ rated. And the best thing about this software is its size is 6.5 MB. So if you are having a low space issue in your mobile phone, then this is the best solution for your mobile phone to browse social media applications, to browse social networking applications, and to browse YouTube and many other applications. You can just use those applications in a single application. So it's a must-have application for your mobile phone. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.